Hey guys, welcome back to GWiz Academy. Alright, so in our last video we have successfully installed our WooCommerce and we have imported some sample products, right? So this is how our website right now looks, okay? So now if you go to shop page, we have these images or let's say products, but we don't actually know how do we add products. These are the products that we have imported directly, right? So in this video, we are going to see how to add a product to your e-commerce store, right? So for that, what we need to do first thing is you need to log into your dashboard and simply go to this option called as products and click on. If you click on add all products, here you'll find all these products that were imported in our last video. But for now, what I need is we need to see for an option where we can add a product. Right? We don't need to use any imported products. So we need to add products. How to do that? You have this option called as add button, add new product, or you can simply click on this add new. Both will redirect you to the same option. I'll click here, add new, and then here, this is the first field where you can simply add your product name as the placeholder suggests. My first e-commerce product. Okay. So yeah, this is the title. Whatever the title you want, you can add it. And here we can add the description. Right? So this is the description that we have added. You can add the correct description. Right now, this is a dummy product that I'm creating. I'm just showing you how to add a product. So first thing is we add a title of that particular product. And here we add the description. In description, you can add list, images. You can simply make something bold or italic, or you can format these text, right? And then if you scroll down below, this is an important section where you add the product related data. So now there are 4 types of products in e-commerce. First is simple product, and second is affiliate product, third is variable product, and fourth is grouped product. We will study about each type of products in separate video. And this video, we will just add a simple product, nothing complex. As the name itself suggests, it's a simple product. We will have a price, we will have a title, description, image, and it is a physical product. Let's say this virtual and downloadable product, you can simply ignore it. I'll explain it in the later videos. But for now, you just imagine that you have a product and you need to upload that particular product so that there is a price that you need to sell it. Let's say $3.99. Regular price is, let's say, $500, and the sales price is $3.99. You want to give it out you want to sell it for $3.99, right? And then if you come to inventory, do you want your website to manage the inventory, or you will manage it by yourself? If you're a small scale business, then you don't need to worry about stock management. Stock management, in the sense, like what happens here is, if you click on this check marks, what will happen? You need to stock it up. Let's say I have 100 products of this particular product. I have 100 in quantity, so that every time a person purchases this particular product, the number will get reduced to 99, 98, 97, so on, right? And as soon as the product is out of stock, now no longer product orders will be taken. So allow back orders, in the sense, even if the stock is not available, do you want to take orders or not? You need to tell it. Allow but notify customer that the product is not available. We will process it once the product is available, or allow or do not allow. Generally, you should not be allowing if the stock is low. The product is out of stock. Anyways, this is not useful, or it is completely optional, right? And this is important if you are managing so many products and in a huge quantity, then definitely this is important part. So for now, I'll keep it simple. I won't be making it much complex. So yeah, I will not uncheck this one. I'll keep it in stock. I'll make sure the product is in stock, right? As soon as the product is out of stock, I'll mark it here. Come back here and mark it as out of stock. And then coming to shipping rule, we will talk about it later on. And linked product, you can upsell or cross sell. Let's say we have many products, right, on our website that we have imported. We can link this so that we can upsell our product. If let's say if a person has come to purchase a t-shirt, then I can upsell him jeans as well. And cross-sell in the sense, if you show the product in a checkout page, see, we have a product page, and then from product page, once the person adds the particular product to the cart, then he goes to checkout page or cart page, right? So if you are showing some products saying that you might be interested in this product as well, so that is called as cross sell. Okay, you don't have to worry about it, upselling and cross selling. I'll show you in a while in live. Okay, in practical manner I'll be showing it to you. So anyways, attributes, advanced, and get more option. You don't have to worry about these things. Right now what we did, we just added a product price, inventory we are managing ourselves, and it is a simple product, right? Simple grouped external variable. Right now this video is related to simple product. So now here if you scroll down, and you can add a short description over here. Let's say this is a short description, and then product tags you can add, and this is helpful for t-shirt, caps, jeans, shirts, anything, apparel, whatever you can add tags, right, related to this particular product. You can assign categories. This product is related to clothing, accessories, hoodies, and t-shirts, right? And then if you don't find your category over here, you can simply click on add new and add that particular category and click on this button so that this category gets added. And then product images, most importantly product images. Set a product image and product gallery. We have two options over here. First thing is you need to set a product image. So right now here it is 1000 into 1000 pixels or larger, maximum 500 MB. Don't upload any images of 500 MB, right? It will slow down your website. Just try to keep it below 2 MB or something like that. And if you click on this link, let's set some image. Let's say we'll select this one as of now. This is just a dummy product, right? So I'm selecting any random image. And let's say if you don't have any image here, then what you need to do, you need to click on upload file and upload from your desktop or laptop, right? I'll select some image from here, random image, and then this is how you set a product image. And then here if you scroll down below, you will have this option called as add product gallery images. In the sense, you need to give more options for the product images, right? So if you click on here and come back, let's say this, and yeah, 3 images are fine. So add to gallery, and this will create a gallery. We'll see it, how does that look in our front end. And now our permalink is also created. If you want to remove this permalink or want to add some keywords, here you can simply add keyword related to that particular product. Keyword in the sense like shirts or jeans or hoodies or something like that. It is important for SEO aspect, but just know that this is where you can edit the product URL as well. And if you click on OK, this will become the product URL, right? And then you need to click on publish. So what are the things that we have done? We have added our product title and product description, product short description as well. And then we have set the price, regular price and selling price. And we have made sure that this is a simple product. And then inventory we are managing by yourself. These things we haven't touched it yet. And then coming to the right hand side of the page, you can see product image we have set product gallery, and then categories and tags we have organized it accordingly, and then we have updated it. Now if you want to see how does this product look, so what you need to do is click on this URL and open it in a new tab so that we can see the product that has been uploaded right now to our store successfully. Perfect. So this is the product that we have just now uploaded, and this is the product image. We have got this zoom option as well because of the by default theme that we are using. And then we have this breadcrumb that tells us that where exactly we are in our website. So we are under home, clothing, t-shirts, and inside this is the permalink of this particular product, right? Yeah. And this is the title, price, short description, add to cart. We can increase or decrease our quantity and add to cart. This is the categories and tags, right? This is the tags and these are the categories, and these are product images, the gallery that we have set it, right? And now this is a description, long description, and here people can come and add reviews for your website. Related products, we have this is getting populated automatically. Now I want to show you one more thing. This depends upon the theme that you are right now using. I think we are using Astra theme or default theme. Yeah, I think we are using default theme, not Astra theme. Yeah, by default theme, based on different theme, whatever you are using, it changes. This appearance will change, the look and feel will change. Now, what was the important thing that I need to show you is if you scroll down here and go to your linked products, see, this is one screen. This is the product page screen. And if you click on add to cart, and if you go to your view cart, this is the second screen. Okay, I'll remove this. Yeah, this is the second screen. Let me open it in new tab, and I need to go back to the product page, right? So this is the product page, this is how it looks, and this is the cart page. Now what is this linked product? And let's see, upsell and cross sells, right? Here I can add one or more products which I can try to upsell. Upsell in the sense, where does it actually upsell? Let's check it out. Caps, type something that based on the product that is available in our WooCommerce store. If you don't have any other product, you need to add it first and then come back here and search for those products, right? So right now I'll add cap, shirts, v-neck shirt, and let's say, right? So right now we have 3 products under upsell. So what I'll do, I'll click on update. Once again, if you don't have any products added in your WooCommerce store, then you won't be finding any option over here as well. So you need to first go ahead and add products that you want to upsell, and then you need to come back here and add this. And where does this show up? If you go to the product page, this is the product page, right? So if you now refresh it, simply refresh it and scroll down, you will find this option saying that you may also like, you may also like cap, shirts, right? So this is a way through which we can upsell. What we are right now doing is we are basically doing upselling our products along with this particular product. Let's say if we have a cap, then we might also sell t-shirts or jeans or hoodies or something like that, right? So some related products, and obviously this related product section will be there, obviously based on the theme that you're using, right? If you want to upsell, this is how you upsell. And now if you go to cart page and refresh it, let's see, we are not upselling here. If the products are being displayed in the cart page as well, if you are trying to upsell something here, then it is called as cross-selling. This is a difference. If we are trying to sell something else under product page in the sense, this is a page that is dedicated for this one product itself, but still we are trying to sell these products as well. So this is called as upselling. And if the product is being displayed in a cart page where the people are trying to check out, then it is called as cross-selling. So if you go to edit page, and here we have this option called as cross-selling or shirt. What are the products available here? I don't know what exactly products are available here. Let's see. Album, polo. Okay, hoodies. I'll try to search for hoodies. Hoodie 1, right? So these are the 2 products that we are right now trying to cross-sell. And let's click on update. And let's see if those hoodies are being displayed here or in our product page or not. I don't think so it will be displayed on our product page, but let's see again, just to reconfirm it. No, it's not being displayed in our product page. But if you go to your cart page and see, you will find these 2 options over here saying that you might also be interested in these 2 products as well. Right? This is called as cross-selling. If you are trying to sell it in your cart page, that is called as cross-selling. And if you are trying to sell something apart from the product, then here we call it as upselling, right? So I hope this upselling and cross-selling concept is fine. is clear, and also you understood how to add a product. And this is just a simple product, nothing complicated over here. So that's the reason why we call it as a simple product, right? I hope you have understood till now. And in our next video, we'll see one more type of product that we can add, that is either grouped product or affiliate product or variable product, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video with one more concept in WooCommerce. Thank you. Have a great day. Yeah, bye.